Hi guys, welcome to my series IGCSE past paper. Today I am going to solve extended maths paper 4, May June 2023. Let's start with first question. First question is, the diagram shows an isosceles triangle with the base extended. Find the value of x. So we need to find this value. Okay. So let this be A, and then this will be also a isosceles triangle. So A plus A plus 42 degree, this will be equal to 180 degree. Now 2a will be equal to 180 minus 42, so 2a will be equal to 138 and a will be equal to 138 divided by 2. So a will be equal to 69. Now a plus x, this will be equal to 180 degree. This is 69, right? So angle on a straight line, right? So a is 69 plus x, this will be equal to 180 degree. X will be equal to 180 minus 69, which is 111 degree, right? So this is our answer, 111. Next, B part. The diagram shows the three lines meeting at a point. The ratio of A ratio B ratio C is 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. Find the value of C. So we need to find the value of this angle, right? So this is complete angle, so their sum will be 360 degree, right? So 3x plus 4x plus 5x, this will be equal to 360 degree. This is 12x, this is equal to 360 degree. Now x will be equal to 360 divided by 12, which is equal to 30 degree, right? So x is 30 degree, then c will be equal to 5 into 30, which is 150 degree. Next, this is our answer, 150 degree. Next, C part. A regular pentagon has an exterior angle D and a regular hexagon has an interior angle H. Find the fraction D by H. Give your answer in a simplest form. So first we need to find the exterior angle. So each exterior angle, this is equal to 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So for pentagon it is 5-sided. So each exterior angle will be 360 divided by 5. So this will be equal to, D will be equal to 72. This will be equal to 72 degree. Now each interior angle, this will be equal to 180 bracket n minus 2 divided by n. So for hexagon it is 180, 6 minus 2 is 4 over 6, which is equal to 120. So this is our h. So d by h, this will be equal to 72 by 120, which is equal to 3 by 5. So this is our answer in the simplest form, 3 by 5. Next part, T part. Show that PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. For cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle sum up to 180 degree. right? So either x, let's find first value the x. Now x plus 2x minus 5 plus 3x minus 40 plus x plus 20, this is equal to 360 degree sum of quadrilateral. So this is 2 plus 1 3, 3 3 6 1 7, 7x minus 45 minus this is 25. This is equal to 360 degree. Now 7x, this will be equal to 360 plus 25. 7x is equal to 385. X is equal to 385 divided by 7, which equal to 55. So x is 55. Let's substitute this value to be a cyclic quadrilateral. First is x plus 3x minus 40. This should be equal to 180 degree, or 2x minus 5 plus x plus 20. X plus 20, it should be equal to 180 degree. So this is 4x minus 40, this is equal to 180 degree. That x is equal to 55, so 4 into 55 minus 40, this will be equal to, this is 210 minus 40, which is 180 degree. Okay, so this is also 180 degree. This is equal to sign, right? Let's try for this also. 2x, this is 3x plus 15, this is 180 degree. 3 into 55 plus 15 is equal to 180 degree. That is 165 plus 15, which is 180, is equal to 180. Hence proof, right? So next is E part. The diagram shows a circle of a radius 9 cm with center O. The minus sector AOB with sector angle 50 degree is removed from the circle. Calculate the length of major arc AB. So we need to find the major arc. So this angle will be 360 minus 50 degree, right? 360 minus 50, which is equal to 310. Now arc length of the arc, this will be equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So this will be equal to theta is 310 over 360 into 2 into pi into radius is 9 centimeter. So this will be equal to, we will use a calculator here. So this will be equal to 48.69468613 approximately. So this is equal to 48.7 centimeter, right? So our answer is 48.7. Next will be question number 2. Anil changes $830 into a euro when the change rate is 1 euro is equal to $1.16. He spent 500 euro. He then changes the remaining money back into a dollar at the same exchange rate. Work out how much dollar Anil received, right? So first we need to change 1 euro, 1, it is given, exchange rate is given 1 euro, 1 euro, this is equal to $1.16, right? So we need to exchange $830 into a euro. Let be euro be x. So 830 divided by 1.16, this will be equal to x euro. So this will be equal to 715.51724, something like that. So we will take it as a so this x is equal to 715.52. So he spent 500 euro. Out of this he had spent it this euro. So remaining this will be equal to 715.52 minus 500, which is equal to now 215.52 euro. Now we have how much in dollar, how much remain in dollar. This is in euro, so we need to convert again in dollar. So this is again 1 euro. This is equal to 1.16. So 215.52 euro. This will be equal to 215.52 into 1.16, which will be equal to, this will be equal to $250, right? So our answer is $250 he was remained with. B part. In 2021, Anil earns $37,000. He spent 12,400 on a bill in 2021. Calculate the percentage of his earning he spent on a bill. So percentage we want to find, it's the easy part. So 12,400 over 37,000 into 100, right? So this will be equal to, we will use the calculator here. So this will be equal to 33.5135, like that. So our answer will be this is 33.5%, right? So our answer is 33.5. Next, second part of B. His earning of $37,000 increased by 3.2% in 2022. Calculate his earning in 2022. His earning in 22. So 400 his earning is 37,000. For 3.2% increase, that means 103.2, his earning will be x, right? We will do the cross multiply. So 100 x will be equal to 37,000 into 103.2. X will be equal to 37,000 into 103.2 divided by 100. So our his earning in 2022 will be, his x will be equal to $38,184. So his answer is 38,184, right? Next will be C part. Anil invests $3,500 in an account that pay the rate of 2.4% per year compound interest. So it is a compound interest. Calculate the total interest earned in 5 years. So compound interest, this will be equal to 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power t minus p, right? So compound interest will be equal to, so principal is 3,500, bracket 1 plus rate of interest is 2.4 by 100. This time is 5 year, minus, we need to only find the interest, not the amount, right? So we are subtracting principal from the total interest, total amount. So this will be equal to, we will use the calculator here. So this will be equal to, approximately this will be equal to 40.649 something that, right? So this will be equal to $441. So our answer is $441, right? Next, find the number of complete year before Anil has at least 5,000 in his account. So we need to find the time here. So amount is given, so amount will be equal to principal bracket 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power time, right? So amount is 5,000, principal is 3,500, 1 plus rate of interest is again 2.4 by 100 raised to the power t. Now 5,000 divided by this is equal to 100 plus, that is 1.024 raised to the power t, right? So this will be, we will use the calculator here, so this will be equal to 1.4285857147 my pen is not working, 1429. This is equal to 1.0024 raised to the power t. Now here we will use the trial and error method. So let 1.024 raised to the power I will go for a 9. This will be equal to, because 5 we have already found above, right? So it is not equal to 5,000. So now it is for 9 it is 1.2379 like that. So it is not there. So let's try for 15. 1.024 raised to the power 15. This is equal to, for 15 it is 1.4272 like that. So it is very near to this, right? So let's take the 16 also. So 1.024 raised to the power 16. So this is equal to 1.4615 like that. So we have to find the number of complete year. So time will be between this 15 and 16 years. So we will take the 16 year, right? Next question number 3. The diagram show a right angle triangle ABC. The area of the triangle is 60 cm square. Show that 2x square plus 11x minus 105 is equal to 0. Right? So for this area of the triangle, this is equal to half base into height, right? So let's substitute these values. Now area of the triangle 60. This is equal to 1 by 2 bracket base is 2x minus 5 plus 5 and x plus 3. So 60 into 2 is 120. This is equal to 2x will be multiplied by x plus 3 and plus 5 is multiplied by x plus 3. Now 120, this will be equal to 2x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 15. Now 2x square, 6x plus 5x is 11x plus 15 minus 120, this will be equal to 0. Now 2x plus 11x minus 105, this is equal to 0, right? So solve by factorization. This we have to factorize this. So for this we will use sum and product method. Product will be, that is 210 and minus 210, and sum should be 11. So it's easy, 21 and 10. We can take the 21 into 10. This is equal to 210, and 21 minus 10, this is equal to 11. So this is minus 10, right? So this is 2x square minus 10x plus 21x minus 105. This is equal to 0. Now we will take the common factor 2x, that is x minus 5 plus 21 x minus 5. This is equal to 0. That means 2x plus 21 and x minus 5, this is equal to 0. That is x minus 5, this is equal to 0, and 2x plus 21, this equal to 0. So x will be equal to 5, and from here x will be equal to minus 21 by 2, which is equal to 10.5, right? So x will be either 5 or 10 point minus 10.5, right? Here minus, it is minus 21, so this will be this, right? Next is calculate angle ACB. So we need to find the angle ACB, this angle. So let's find their length. So x negative, we have to ignore the negative value because length cannot be a negative. So plus 5. So this will be 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8, and this will be 2 into 5 plus 5, 10, 15. This is 15 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. So AC is 8 centimeter and AB is 15 centimeter. So AC, this is equal to 5 plus 3, which is 8 centimeter, and AB, this is equal to 2 into 5 plus 5, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we can use the trigonometric ratio for 10 bracket angle ACB. This will be equal to AB over AC, that is opposite over adjacent, right? So this will be 10 ACB, this will be equal to 15 by 8. Now ACB, this will be equal to 10 inverse of 15 by 8, which is approximately equal to 61.9275. So we will take 61.9 degree, right? Next is a B part. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now triangle DEF has an area of 93.75 centimeter square. Find the size of a smaller angle of a triangle DEF. So we have given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So let's take two triangle. This is 90 degree. This is A. This is B. This is C. Now DEF. Same way. This will be D. This will be E. This will be F. Now we have already found angle C, which is 61.9, right? So smaller angle will be this angle. This angle will be, angle B will be equal to angle ABC. This will be equal to 90 minus 61.9, which will be equal to, we will use the calculator for this. This is 28.07. 28.07. So smaller angle of a triangle D, this will be equal to 28.07, because in similar triangles their angle will be same. So this our answer is 28.07. So this will be 28.07, right? Find the length of the shortest side of triangle DEF. So we need to find the length of the shortest side. So we have already given this length is 8, this is 15, this is this. So opposite to this angle, this length will be a smallest length, right? So and here area of this triangle is 60 centimeters square, and area of this triangle, this is given 93.75 centimeters square. So now we can do it. Area of triangle DEF over area of triangle ABC. This is equal to AC DF over AC whole square, right? So area of triangle D 93.75 over 60. This is equal to DF. DF we need to find. So DF over AC. AC is given to be 8 square, right? So this we will use the calculator here, which is equal to 25 by 16. This is equal to DF over 8 whole square. Now DF over 8, this is equal to root of 25 by 16, which is DF by 8. This is equal to 5 by 4. Now DF, this is equal to 5 into 8 by 4, which is equal to 10. So our answer is 10 centimeter. Right? Next question, question number 4. The table shows the information about the height of 80 children. Write down the interval containing the median. So median is the middle value. So for this middle value, let's find the cumulative frequency. Middle value of 80 will be 40. So 40th term will be our interval. So for 40th term, it will be, first will cumulative frequency, this will be, first will be 2, second will be 2 plus 13, which is 15, 15 plus 24 is 39, 39 plus 32 is 71, 71 plus this is 80, right? So for this 40th item will be at this. So our interval will be this one, right? So our answer is 1.65. H is greater than 1.65 and less than 1.8, right? So next, second part, calculate the estimate of a mean height. So we have to find the estimated mean height. For that we need the midpoint of the height. Let's find the midpoint of the height. Midpoint of height, let it be x1, right? So 1.2 plus 1.4 divided by 2, which will be equal to 1.3. Now 1.4 plus 1.5 divided by 2, which will be equal to 1.45. Next will be 1.5 plus 1.65 divided by 2, which will be equal to 1.575. Next will be 1.65 plus 1.8 divided by 2, which will be equal to 1.725. And next will be 1.8 plus 1.9 divided by 2, which will be equal to 1.85. Now frequency is also given. So frequency is given. For frequency, it is first will be 2, then 13, then 24, then 32, then 9, right? This total is 80. So our estimated mean will be equal to summation of this fi into xi over summation of f. So this will be equal to 1.3 into 2 plus 1.45 into 13 plus 1.575 into 24 plus 1.725 into 32 plus 1.85 into 9, this over 80. This will be equal to, we will use the calculator here, so this will be equal to 131.1 divided by 80, so which is equal to 1.63875. This is our answer. So our estimated mean is 1.63875, right? Next is B part. One of these children is chosen at random. Calculate the probability that they have the height of 1.4 meter or less. So 1.4 meter or less, we need that total number of children is 80, right? So 1.4 and less will be in this category. So that will be 2 children only. So 2 by 80, which will be equal to 1 by 40. So our answer is 1 by 40. Next, 2 of these children are chosen at random. Calculate the probability that both the children are taller than 1.5 meter, but one of them is taller than 1.8 meter. Right? This is our condition. So total number is again 80 children are there. Right? So one is chosen from the 1.5 meter or above. So 1.5 meter and above will be this one, right? From them it is chosen, and one is from this category. So first we will take 1.5 and above, that will be 24 plus 32 is 56. So 56 by 80 into 9 by 79. 39 or 9 by 80 into 56 by 79, right? So for this or we will add. So our answer, we will use the calculator. Our answer will be 63 by 395. So this will be our answer. 63 by 395. Next, C part. Complete the cumulative frequency table for the height. We have already done it above, just we need to fill it. 2. First will be 2 plus 13, that is 15. Next is 15 plus 24, that is 39. 39 plus 32 is 71. Then 71 plus 9 is 80. Next, on a grid, draw the cumulative frequency diagram. For this, let us mark 1.4. 1.4, it is 2. Let me make it little bigger. Right? So this is first point. Let me change the color. I will take black color. For this will be our first point. Right? Second will be 1.5. At 1.5 it is 15. 15 will be this point. Next will be 1.6539. 1.6565, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, this and this will be 39 point, right? Next will be 1.8, it is 71, and then 90, right? So we will draw up here. Let me join. Right? This is our cumulative frequency diagram. Next part. Next is B part. Use the diagram to find the estimate of the interquartile range. So interquartile range, this is equal to upper quartile minus lower quartile. So upper quartile minus lower quartile. So this is so upper quartile will be equal to this will be equal to 3 by 4 of total frequency. This is into 80, which is equal to 60th term, and the lower quartile will be, this will be 1 by 4 of 80, which will be equal to 20th term, right? So let's find the 60th term and 20th term. 60th term will be this one, right? 60th term is this one, right? We have to make a straight line, but it is difficult for me to write on a laptop. This, right? On this, it is this line. This one. So it is will be 1.7. I think it is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1.75. So upper quartile will be 1.75. So and find the lower quartile. It is at 20th. 20th will be this one, right? This one will be this. So it will be 1 2 3 4. 1.54. So upper quartile minus lower quartile, this will be equal to 1.75 minus 1.54, which is equal to 21 meter, right? So our answer is 21 meter. Next, 0.21, not 21, it's a 0.21. Right? Next is the 60th percentile. So 60th percentile means 60 by 100 of 80. Right? So this will out, this will out, this will out, this will out. This is equal to 48. 48th term will be our 60th percentile. So it will be, let's calculate, 48. 48 will be this line, right? This is our 48. So we can make the straight line over here. It will be this line, 1.7. Our answer is 1.7 meter. 7 meter, right? Next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, cone has a base diameter 8 centimeter and the perpendicular height is 15 centimeter. Calculate the volume of the cone. So volume of the cone is already given. This just we need to substitute all the values. So V will be equal to 1 by 3 into pi into radius. Radius will be 4 square into height will be 15. So we will use the calculator here. Our answer will be 215 point. This is approximate values. So this is 3274. 3274 like that. So in 3SF we will take 251, right? So our answer is 251 centimeter cube. Next, second part. Second, label completely. Cover the curved surface area of the cone. Calculate the area of the label as a percentage of the total surface area of the cone, right? So for curved surface area, we will need pi RL, right? So L is the slant length. So let's find the slant length. This is there, and let me join this also. Right, this will be at 90 degree. This is 15. This will be a 4. So L will be equal to 15 square plus 4 square root, right? So we will use the calculator, which will be L will be equal to 15.52417 like that. So approximately L will be equal to, in 3SF, 15.5, right? So we will take this value. So we have to calculate the area label as a percentage of the total surface area of the cone. So first, curved surface area, curved surface area over total surface area of cone into 100. So this we need to find. So curved surface area is pi RL over total surface area is pi RL plus pi R square. This is equal into 100. This we need to find. So we will take the common factor, pi RL over pi R bracket L plus R. This into 100. This we cancel out this. So this is L over L plus R into 100. So now we can find it. L is 15.5, right? L is 15.5 over 15.5 plus radius is 4 into 100. This is equal to 15.5 over 19.5 into 100, which is approximately equal to 79.512, something like that. So we can take it as 79.5%, right? So our answer is 79.5%, 5%, right? Next is B part. B first part. An empty cylinder contain and radius of 0.45 meter. 300 liter of water is poured into a container at the rate of 375 ml per second. So this is there, and these are the information. Find the time taken in minute and second for all the water to be poured into a container. So as we know, first let's change the unit of all. So 1 liter will be equal to 1000 ml, right? So here 375 ml, this will be equal to x liter. Cross multiply, so this x will be equal to 375 divided by 1000, which will be equal to 0.375 liter, right? So in it's given. Now it's a very easy part. So in 1 second it takes only 0.375 liter. So we know we need to pour all 300 liter, right? 300 liter will take y seconds, like take y seconds. So again we will do the cross multiply. So this will be equal to, y will be equal to 300 divided by 0.375. So time will be, y will be equal to 800 seconds. Now y will be equal to, we will divide the 800 by 60, that will be equal to 30 minutes, and we will use the calculator for this. This will be equal to 13 minutes and 20 seconds and 20 seconds. This will be our answer, right? 13 minutes and 20 seconds, right? Calculate the height of a water in a container. So we need to find the height, right? So first we need we know 1 meter cube. This is equal to 1000 liter, right? Now 300 liter volume is given, 300 liter of water. This will be a, let's take it m, take it p, right? So this we will cross multiply. P will be equal to 300 divided by 1000, which is equal to 0.3 meter cube. So this will be our volume. So volume is equal to volume of the cylinder. This is equal to pi r square h. So volume is given 0.3. This is equal to pi into radius. Radius is given 0.45 meter, right? So 0.45 square into h. Now h will be equal to 0.3 over pi into 0.45 square, right? We will use the calculator here, and the h will be approximately equal to 0.471570. like that. So then h will be equal to 0.472 meter. Right, this will be our answer. 0.472 meter. Next question number 6, A part. A sequence has n term, n over 2n plus 3. Find the first three term of this sequence. Give your answer as a fraction. So Tn will be equal to, this is equal to n over 2n plus 3. So T1 will be equal to 1 over 2 1 plus 3, so which will be equal to 1 by 5. So T2 will be equal to, this will be equal to 2 over 2 bracket 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 by 7. Now T3 will be equal to 3 over 2 bracket 3 plus 3, so which will be equal to 2 3 by 6 9. So our answer is 1 by 5, 2 by 7, and next will be 3 by 9. Second part, the k term of this sequence is this. Find the value of the k. So we need to find the value of the k. So k term, that means tk will be equal to, this will be equal to k over 2k plus 3, which is equal to 12 by 25. So we will do the cross multiplication. So 25k, this will be equal to 12 bracket 2k plus 3. So 25k is equal to 24k plus 3. Now 25k minus 24k, this will be equal to 3, k will be equal to 3. So our answer is k is equal to 3. Next is B part. Find the nth term of this sequence. So let's find the difference between them. So the difference will be, first difference is 13 minus 6 is 7. Next is 32 minus 13, which is 19. Next 69 minus 32 is 37. And 130 minus 69, so it is 61. So we still have to subtract them. So that is, first will be 12, 37 minus 19 will be 18, and 61 minus 37 is 24. Let's again subtract them. So 18 minus 6, and this is again 6. So it's a cubic sequence. So this sequence is cubic sequence. For cubic sequence n cube, this is equal to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, and like that. So 1 cube is 1, next will be 2 cube is 8, 27, 64, 125, and we have 6, 13, 32, 69, and 130. Right, so between them is plus 5, this plus 5, right? So this plus 5, so our sequence will be plus 5. So our sequence will be n cube plus 5. Let's substitute the third value. Third value will be 27, 27 plus 5 will be 32, right? So this is our sequence n cube plus 5. Next is this is divided by half, this is divided by 2, so divided by 2, this is divided by 2. Yes, so this is geometric sequence. For geometric sequence, Tn will be equal to a r n minus 1, where a is the first term. First term is 100. common ratio is 1 by 2 divided by 2, or it can be a multiply by half, right? So common ratio is half raised to the power n minus 1. So this will be our sequence. So 100 bracket 1 by 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Next is question number 7. The diagram shows a straight road between town A, town B and town C. Now AC is 60 kilometer, BC is 87 kilometer, and B is due to the east of A, right? So the bearing of C from A is 38 degree. Show that ACB, this is 95.1 degree corrected to a 1 decimal place, right? So this will be 90 minus 38, which is 52, sorry. This is 52 degree. So angle, so CAB angle, this will be equal to 90 minus 38, which is equal to 52 degree, right? So for this we will use the sine rule. One angle is, so we can find the angle B. So from sine rule, sine A CAB and CAB angle, this over opposite side is BC. This will be equal to sine angle ABC. This will over AC, right? This angle. So we will substitute these values, or angle sine ABC, this will be equal to AC into sine CAB over BC. So this will be equal to, AC is already given, 60 into sine 52 degree over 87. So now sine ABC, this will be equal to 0. We will use the calculator, 0.543455, something like that. So ABC, this will be equal to sine inverse of 0.543455, right? So ABC, this will be equal to 32.9191. So ABC in 3SF 32.9. Now ACB angle ACB, this will be equal to, this will be equal to, so this will be equal to 180 minus bracket 52 plus 32.9. So this will be equal to 95.1. This will be our answer. Now next part, B part. Without stopping, a car travel from town A to town C and then to town B, and before returning directly to town A, the total time taken for the journey is 3 hours 20 minutes. Calculate the average speed of the car of this journey. Give your answer in kilometer per hour. So for average speed, we need to find total distance. So average speed is equal to, this will be equal to total distance over total time. So So for total distance we need to find AB. So I will make a small figure here. This is the figure. This is A, B, C. Now AB we need to find. This AC is given. AC is 60 and BC is we had BC is 87, right? And ACB it is 95.1. So for AB we will use a cosine rule. So AB square, this will be equal to AC square plus BC square minus 2 times of AC into BC into cos ACB, angle ACB, right? So we will substitute all the values. So this will be 60 square plus 87 square, 60 square plus 87 square minus 2 times of 60 into 87 into cos ACB is 95.1. We will use the calculator here. So AB square will be equal to, this will be equal to 12097.05646. We will take the root of this. AB will be equal to root of 12097.05646. So which is equal to 109.9866195. So corrected to 3SF, AB will be equal to 110 kilometers, right? So total distance will be, now total distance this will be equal to 110 plus 60 plus 87, and time is this is equal to 3 hours 20 minutes. So we need 20 minutes means 3 hours 20 by 60. So which will be equal to 10 by 3 hours, right? Now we will average speed. This will be equal to, this is equal to, total of the distance will be 257. So this is 257 divided by 10 by 3, or 257 into 3 by 10, which is equal to 77.1. So this is 77.1 kilometer per hour. So our answer is 77.1. Next is question number 8. A part, first part. Show that the equation this can be written as this. So first we will take this 2 bracket and then this. So x will be multiplied with x plus 1, and minus 4 will be multiplied by x plus 1, right? And this whole is multiplied by x minus 2. So this will be x square plus x minus 4x minus 4. Now this is multiplied by x minus 2. So this is x square minus 3x minus 4. This is multiplied by x minus 2. So x will be x square minus 3x minus 4, and minus 2 is multiplied by x square minus 3x minus 4, right? So this is x cube minus 3x square minus 4x then minus 2x square, minus 2x square, then plus 6x, then plus 8, let's solve it. This is x cube, this is minus 5x square plus 2x plus 8, right? So this is our answer. Next part, second part. On a diagram, sketch the graph of y equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 8. Indicate the value where the graph crosses the axis. So basically we have to sketch the graph, and we have to mainly point the y and x intercept, right? So our equation is this, right? So let's find the coordinate points. So y, we know y, this is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 8. This was the equation, and this we know, we have already solved for this. This is x minus 4, x plus 1, x minus 2, right? So this can be written at y will be equal to x minus 4, x minus 4, x plus 1 and x minus 2, right? Let's find first the y-intercept. At y-intercept, our x will be equal to 0. So y will be 0 minus 4, 0 plus 1 and 0 minus 2, right? So this will be equal to minus 4 into 1 into minus 2, which will be equal to 8, right? So this was one point. Next will be, let's find the x-intercept. We are at x-intercept, y will be equal to 0, right? So 0 will be equal to 0. This will be equal to x minus 4, x plus 1 and x minus 2. So x will be equal to 4, x will be equal to minus 1 and x will be equal to minus 2, right? So let's find the coordinate point also. These are the both intercepts, x and y intercepts. Now we will find the coordinate points. Let's do the coordinate point. Here we will take the x and here we will take the y. Let's start with minus 1. At minus 1, when x is minus 1, y will be 0, right? This is the x-intercept, right? When x is 0, y will be 8, right? This one. When x is 1, y will be 6. We can calculate it at 1, right? When x is 2, y will be 0. This one. When this is not minus 2, this is plus 2. X is 2, y will be 0, right? And when x is 3, y will be minus 4. And when x is 4, y will be 0, right? At 5, it will be, I will take one more point. At 5, it is 18. And at minus 2, it will be, at minus 2, it will be minus 24, right? When x is minus 2, y will be minus 24, right? Right. So let's plot these points. Now at first I need to, yes, let's, this will be -1, this will be -2, this is -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For y we have 8, 6, like that. So we will take 2. This will be 2. This I will take 4, 6, and 8. This is -2, -4, -6, and -8. This is -10, right? Now let's plot the point. At -1 it is 0. I will change the color of my pen. Black I will take for graph. It is at -1 it is 0. So this will be our point, right? This is x-intercept. And 0 it is 8. 0 it is 8. This. And at 1 it is 6. 1 it is 6. This will be the point. Now at 2 it is 0. At 3 it is -4. This will be our point, right? And at 4 it is 0. At 5 it is 18. It is means it is going positively up, right? At 5 I will take this, right? And at -2 it is -24. It is going down, right? I will take this point, right? First we will plot these points, right? Then right now at 5 it is going up. This will be like that. And at -1 it is going down. So this will be our graph for this equation, right? Hopefully you understand this question. Next we will do first. Next will be B part. The graph of this have a two tangent with a gradient 10. Find the equation of these two tangents. You must show all your working and give your answer in a form of this, right? So to make the equation of the line, we need the we already given the gradient, but we need to find the intercept, right? So we need the two coordinate points. So first equation of the line, equation of the gradient is dy by dx, right? So dy by dx, this will be equal to 3x square minus 10x plus 2, and this is equal to 10, right? So 3 now 3x square minus 10x plus 2 minus 10, this will be equal to 0. So 3x square minus 10x minus 8, this is equal to 0. So we will use the sum and product method. So product will be -24 and sum will be -10. So we will make the factor of 24, that is 12 and 2. 24, yes. So that will be 3x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 8. This will be equal to 0, right? So for this we will have 3x will be common factor, x minus 4, 2 will be common factor, x minus 4 plus 2. This is equal to 0. That means x minus 4 and second will be 3x plus 2. This will be equal to 0. Now x minus 4, this will be equal to 0, and 3x plus 2, this will be equal to 0. X will be equal to 4, and from here 3 x will be equal to minus 2 by 3. So we will find the y. Equation of the line is equation is y equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 8. When x equal to 4, y will be equal to 4 cube minus 5 into 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 8, and this will be equal to 0. We will use the calculator here. So, and when x is equal to minus 2 by 3, y will be equal to minus 2 by 3 cube minus 5 into minus 2 by 3 square plus 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 8. So here we will use the calculator here, and the y will be 112 by 27. So our two coordinate points are one is 4 and 0, and other is minus 2 by 3 and 112 by 27, right? At gradient will be equal to 10, right? These are the 2 points where the gradient is 10. Let's find the equation of the line. Now, for equation of the line, when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 and y equal to 0, then 0 equal to our gradient is 10 into 4 plus c will be equal to minus 40. So equation will be y equal to 10x minus 40, right? This will be our first equation. Next is when x is equal to minus 2 by 3, y equal to 112 by 27. Here equation will be 112 by 27. This will be equal to 10 into minus 2 by 3 plus c. Now c will be equal to 112 by 27 plus 20 by 3. So c here will be, we will use the calculator here. C will be 292 by 27. 292 by 27. So equation will be y will be equal to 10x plus 292 by 27, right? So this will be our second equation of the line, right? So our equation 1 is y will be equal to first 10x plus 292 by 27, and above one is 10x minus 40, right? Next question number 9, a part. 3x square y 4 raised to the whole raised to the power 3. So for this, a raised to the power, if it is m b n m raised to the power n, this will be a raised to the power m into n and b raised to the power m into n, right? So here also we will use the same thing. So it is 3 raised to the power 3, x raised to the power 2, y raised to the power 4, this, right? So this is 3 cube is 27, x3 into 2 is x raised to the power 6, y raised to the power 12. So our answer is this, 27, x raised to the power 6, y raised to the power 12, right? So next is second part. Here we have a negative exponent. For negative exponent, to make it positive, we have to reciprocal the base. That is a b raised to the power minus m. This is equal to b over a raised to the power m, right? So here x raised to the power 16, y raised to the power 8, this over 16, this will be 3 by 2. So x raised to the power 16 into 3 by 2, y raised to the power 8 into 3 by 2, and here 16 can be written as 4 square. So 4 raised to into 3 by 2, right? So here will be 2, we will cut 8, 24, x raised to the power 24, y, this will be 4, 4 into 3 is 12, over this we can cut 4 cube, this is 4, right? So 4 cube will be 64. This is our answer. This is x24, y12 over 64. Next is factorize. Factorize this. Here it is easy. X square, that is a cube minus a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So it is x square minus 3 square, so which will be equal to x minus 3, x plus 3, right? So this is x minus 3 and x plus 3. Now simplify this. For above we have already done, that is x minus 3 and x plus 3. So down we will use the grouping method. We will take two terms, right? For first terms, 2x will be common, 2y will be common, sorry, 2y x minus 3, and from second plus 5 is common, x minus 3. So this will be equal to x minus 3, x plus 3 over x minus 3 and 2y plus 5, right? So we can cancel out this. So our answer will be x plus 3 over 2y plus 5, right? This is our x plus 3 over 2y plus 5. Next will be question C part. C is solve simultaneous equation. You just solve all. You must show all your working. Give your answer to correct 2dp. So we have to give your answer in 2dp. So this will be here. Here y will be equal to 7 minus 2x. We will substitute this value in this, right? So 7 minus 2x, 7 minus 2x, this is equal to 5x square plus 2x minus 13. So 5x square plus 2x minus 13 minus 7 plus 2x, this is equal to 0. So this is 5x square plus 4x minus 20, this is 0, right? So we have to find the value of x and y, right? And 2dp, so that means we have to use the formula method. If this is given, so we will use the formula method only, right? So x will be equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2 A. Here A will be 5, B will be 4, and C will be minus 20, right? So we will use we will substitute all the values. This x will be equal to minus 4 plus minus root of b square 4 square minus 4. A is 5, b is minus 20, c is minus 20 over 2a, 2 into 5, right? So x will be equal to minus 4 plus minus root of, we will use the calculator here, and that will be root of 416 over 10. 5 into 2 is 10, right? So x will be equal to minus 4 plus root of 416 is 20.4 over 10, and second is x will be equal to minus 4 minus 20.4 over 10. So this will be x will be equal to 1.64, 1.64, and here the x will be equal to minus 2.44, right? So when x is 6.4, now y is equal to 7 minus we have y is equal to this. We will substitute this value in this. So y is equal to 7 minus 2x, right? So y will be equal to 7 minus 2 bracket 1.64, and y will be equal to 7 minus 2 bracket minus 2.44, right? So here it is 3.72, and here it is 11.88, right? So our when x is equal to 1.64, then y will be 3.72, and here the x will be minus 2.44, y will be 11.88, right? So next is question number 10. Now ABCD is a cuboid with square base of a side x centimeter. So CG, this length, this is 20 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, and AG is 28 centimeter, right? So calculate the value of x. So we need to find the x value. So AC, this will AC, let me join the AC. Now AC will be equal to AC square, this is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Right? So AC, now AC square, this will be equal to x square plus x square. Now AC square, this will be equal to 2x square, right? So, and now AG square, this will be equal to AC square plus CG square, again by Pythagoras theorem. Now AG square is given 28 square. This is equal to AC. AC is 2x square plus CG is 20 square. Now 28 square minus 20 square, this is equal to 2x square, right? So 28 square minus 20 square, this is equal to 384. 384, this is equal to 2x square. Now x square will be equal to 384 divided by 2, which is equal to 192. So x will be equal to root of 192. X is equal to 13.8564. 13.8564. So x will be equal to 13.9. So our answer is 13.9. Right? So next question, B part. B part is the diagram shows the different cuboid J, K, L, M and P. MR, this is equal to 30 centimeter corrected to a nearest centimeter, and KR, this is 37 centimeter corrected to a nearest centimeter. Calculate the lower bound of an angle between KR and the base JKLM of the cuboid. So what we need to find, if we join K to M, we need to find this theta, right? And MR is 30 centimeter. This is given, this is 30 centimeter, and KR is 37. KR is 37 centimeter, right? So this will be 90 degree. Now, and nearest, corrected to the nearest centimeter is given, so we have to find the error. Error will be 1 centimeter. Error will be this equal to 1 by 2 centimeter, which is 0.5 centimeter. For this also same will be 0.5 centimeter. So MR will be greater than equal to 29.5 and less than 30.5. This is the upper bound, this is the lower bound of MR. So KR, for KR greater than equal to 36.5 and less than 37.5. So this is the upper bound and this will be the lower bound of KR. So we need to find the theta. So here we can use the trigonometric ratio. So for that, sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse, is sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is equal to opposite will be thetas of MR over KR. So sine, we have to find the lower bound of the angle. So we have to find this lower bound. So MR will be of lower bound and KR will be of upper bound. Now we will substitute the values. Sine theta, this is equal to MR. MR is lower bound of MR is 29.5 over KR upper bound is 37.5. So theta will be equal to sine inverse of 29.5 over 37.5, right? So let me use the calculator for this. This will be equal to 51.9. Theta will be equal to 51.9. So our answer is 51.9. So this was the last question. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment sections and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.